Yeah man, Jamaican Rum Punch, that's right. I'm doing this live from Jamaica, so we start off with some ice. Hit this with some rum. Come behind it with some more rum, that's coconut. Myers rum, a lot of rum. Okay, you like that, huh? Sound real tropical, eh? That's right, girls. Pineapple juice, come behind it with some orange juice. Or you prefer the Jamaican? Yes, man, we got a bunch of juice in there. So we come with lime juice. Squeeze it, Captain Jack Sparrow. Okay, that's a real stereotypical version of a Jamaican, okay? All right, so we pour in our little mix, and then we come behind that with some Grenadine. Look at the floated bottom, ladies, exactly, okay? Look at those red bottoms. Don't you wish you had shoes like that? Okay, put on a little orange slice, and there we have it, man! Jamaican Rum Punch. Who's this handsome guy? Look at him toast, the Black James Bond.